here at the ground floor area of Wing. And then breakfast nila is buffet. So I wasn't expecting na buffet ang kanilang breakfast. So medyo maraming tao, dami. Nag-book kagabi, lumating. Super dami. Galing ng Europe ata. Medyo mahaba yung pila, so I got my salad. They have the banh mi. Beans? Beans ka? So guys, our itinerary for today is Ho Chi Minh. It's a half-day tour which we got in Agoda kasi mas mura si Agoda. Nakita namin magkano lang ikumpara dun sa group. So parang si group 1,000 plus back or something like that. And then si Agoda hundreds lang. So we'll post the details here kung magkano si Agoda. So for now we are doing breakfast first. Breakfast is already included in our booking. And binook namin tubig at magkano na 4,000 ba? Parang 4,000 for an overnight stay with breakfast na yun. Free. So buffet yung breakfast nila. I was thinking set. Kain na tayo. Laundry area, so you can do your laundry. Mini pod, oh.
What?
Mini pod.
Oo, ano?
So habang naglo-laundry ka, pwede ka gumawa dito with your laptop and tablet.
Pati sa
They also have window for your
may mga gamit.
toiletries and all. Ice dispenser. Oh, loading. So ito, may vendo. Ay, sorry. May laundry. May laundry ah. Yeah.
Wala ka na palang stock.
At may ironing. My God, ang galing. I was supposed to ask for the iron. Kasi yung mga susutin today. Ang galing ah. Very functional area. Huh? How much ang laundry?
Parang 100,000 nakita ko yun. Itataan.
Isang set na?
Oo.
Okay, since we're not gonna do the laundry. Okay.
So wala tayong laundry.
Very functional talaga itong area na to. Gym. Okay. This is the gym. May tao ba? Gym area. Nice.
Ganda. No? Kompleto.
There's also water. Very generous sila sa water dito, no? Wala ko nakalaki. Hi guys, we're checking out. It's 9:30. We're going to Sofitel for our third hotel. And then later we are also going to Puchitano. See you in a bit.
Bebe.
So, andyan na yung aming Grab. We just paid at... I mean like we're gonna pay 40,000 for this. So guys, we booked through our Accra membership. Kaya mas cheaper. And I wish makapag-early check-in tayo.
King size bed. Okay, so your room will be on the 15th floor, and to lock in the Wi-Fi, username will be the room number and the password will be your last name. No need to capital. Okay, breakfast already included. The floor we do have the gym, spa, and sauna. Swimming pool will be on the 18th floor.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so for the luggages, we will assist you to deliver to the
So
room.
guys, it's just 10 a.m. and they allowed us for early check-in. And of course, nakapag-upgrade din tayo. Exclusive yata to eh, no? Kasi sabi niya exclusive daw yung place eh. Thank you for that.
Kung may lounge access kaya tayo.
I think we're gonna check. But for the meantime, mag-arrange muna tayo ng mga bagay-bagay. See you in a bit. Guys, we are here inside the room here in Sofitel. So it's our third hotel here in Ho Chi Minh, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, and they allowed us for early check-in, of course. That's one of the privilege if you're an Accra member, and we booked this room for overnight stay at around 8,500 or 600 only. So the usual rate for Sofitel if hindi ka member ng Accor is around 11,000 pataas to 15, 11,000 to 15 because this is a 5-star hotel.
Hello, miss. Are you Vietnamese?
No.
Where are you from?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Kamusta po?
Good.
Magandang araw. Magandang araw.
Yes, good morning.
How long you have been in Vietnam?
Third day today.
This is from Balut.
Oh, really?
Balut.
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever seen before?
So guys, kung mahilig kayo sa mga handicraft, sobrang ganda dito.
ganda.
The design is also the same but different in a lot of aspects.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. Bamboo trap. Some people they say booby trap. Yeah. So in the past, this one was camouflaged by leaves or anything. But how good Vietnamese people they can recognize where are the traps? Actually, no one can. Only one person can. It's the person. Yeah, but the green uniform. That's the leader of the village. Because of 150 square kilometers for the whole tunnel system. One village cannot build a whole tunnel. It must be 6 villages digging and connect together. Yeah. So when you are this person from this village, go to all the village, following him, and he will tell you where, yeah, to go. Yeah, when you come to his village. So when enemy is moving, if they step and then this, yeah, the truck will flip and he will be fallen down there. He will be stopped by bamboo spikes, sharpened by the bamboo. This truck will never kill enemy immediately. This one will slow them down. Yeah, because Vietnam and US different time. And second, this is the jungle in Vietnam, not your country, US. Very stressful for this person and all the allies. Once they can come here and save that person. And then the next movement very, very slow. and then take time for Vietnamese people to serve the fights. But Vietnamese people will never make the situation simple like that. They will take the poison. They take from snakes because this area mud a lot. That's why so many poisonous insects. They take the poison covered to these bites. So when they are starved, they will be damaged and poisoned. Come here and let me show you one thing. We call that secret entrance. Why secrets? Because everywhere camouflaged by leaves or anything, not easy to recognize. So when you stand right here, Vietnamese will stand behind you, but not stand like this. They stand underground and then wait for the right moment, get out and shoot you from behind. That's the problem, because not enough people and weapons to fight with us. That's why they need the secret entrance. So how could they recognize the person outside is the enemies? Because in the past, mud a lot. So US they used to prepare like jungle bush, and then they step in the jungle. They make the noise. So when it can cause the noise from the outside, Vietnamese they can hear that, feel that, enemies, and then wait for the right moment, get out, shoot from behind. That's the problem. And a tunnel system like the secret entrance, they can get inside and move underground and get out somewhere. So 150 square kilometers, over 60 secret entrances used to be destroyed by Vietnamese people. But nowadays we just recommend get in and get out same place, because actually you don't know where to turn because a complex structure like a spider web. You turn wrong way, trap. Yeah, that's the problem. Because Vietnamese they fight enemies, they can get inside to find them to kill them. That's why they set up the traps on the ground. So let me show you first, and then your turn. Yeah. But in the future, more leaves, dirtier. So for me, I don't want to be dirty. I will remove the leaves. So, getting in. Handles. Handles. Hands up, straight arms to make your shoulder smaller, and then dive. Go down, same pose. Same pose. Easy. Your turn.
stand on it ka na? Oh, we're in there.
I'm very sorry. We want to make real.
And then go to fight with US, go to fight against US to revenge for your family. Because the big question for the US, who are communists, who are local people, who are South Vietnamese, because they look the same together. I'm big trap. So I'm big trap, Viet Cong, they know that when someone falls down, their hands will open. Wow. Yes. So the trap will start in triangle way. Your armpit will start by that fall down to the bottom. The window, yeah, the window will open first, and then one leg steps from the enemies, window will close it. Their leg will be stuck on the ground. Putting chair trap, check the chair. So when US, they drop so many bombs in this Cu Chi area, many houses were destroyed. Some houses not destroyed but still affected by the bombs, not so perfect. And also, the tunnel will go through every house. Yeah. So the Vietnamese people, they can be in their house or they can be outside on the ground, no problem. US, they cannot predict that. So when they see any houses still perfect, they will try to come, to reach to the house and catch the communists. So when they reach to local people house, these are their first test. They use the rope to connect and hand on a tree. If they step on the rope, these things fall to their bodies. And if they can pass the first test, this is their second test, the door trap. So they will hang behind the door. US, they come, they knock your door, no one opens. After that, they kick the door. So, after they kick the door, this trap activated like this. So, enemies, they will think only one session first. Second, on their hands, always gun. That's why they can cut the bombs everywhere as long as one team, two people cutting bomb shell together because it's not easy. Some teams over here used to be killed by unexploded bombs.
Hey Jack, I was like here last night.
Okay, so these are Lamwai.
Parang may tumatalsik.
Yung ano? Yung bala.
Further going, tunnel smaller, more challenge, more fun. And if you want to die in somewhere far away from your country, no problem.
So,
Hindi, dito ka lang mag-antay. Doon daw yung exit.
Guys, right now, if you feel not okay,
So, nag-aantay lang kami dito, guys.
Lahat sila pumasok sa loob.
Baba ako ng konti.
Saan sila pupunta nun?
Doon.
Wala lumabas dyan.
Oo. Wala na.
wait for us, see you down there, okay? See you over there.
So stupid.
Ilan daw? Ilang meters? And be careful. Yung ano. I-check ko lang, tapos bibidyo ko kung gaano kalalim. Yeah.
Ano yan?
Parang ano? Pandan.
Pandan nga daw.
Solid nga eh. No? Sarap. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I'd like to order Coke Zero.